A lot of niggas ain't gonna like this. They wanna hear it. Fuck balls, let me just talk to you. You talk to him. Yeah.
No face, no case, that's how they taught us. At the table, certain shit just can't be brought up. Get low until I get my shit in order. Every day I'm placing orders by the border. Poppy told me, do you need a half of water? I came back.
Hey guys, it's your girl, pardonmybeautix TV, and I'm back with another video. So, yeah, basically, this is a video for the second part to the headband wig, and I'm trying to get the camera together, as you've seen. So, yeah, basically, as I explained to you guys yesterday, it's a human wig, it's the headband wig. The hair was really great quality. And basically, what I'm doing now is just going to be brushing my hair into a ponytail. I did speed this up a little bit, but I'm sure it doesn't even look like it. Braiding my hair into a ponytail, showing you guys. I'm sorry with certain things out of frame, but you guys get the gist. Just put your hair in a ponytail. I tucked the ponytail up in the scrunchie. So that's what you see me doing now. Yeah, so basically next you're going to get your cap. If you want to wear a cap, I don't really care for a cap. I could do this without the cap. But for some reason, I see a lot of you girls like caps, so just got my cap out. The cap was provided by the company, the wig came from Amazon, and I will be listing in the description box. You can pull your cap up to your desired spot. You really don't have to put it up that far if you don't want. That's up to you. Mine's always slide down anyway, so I don't see what's the point of the cap. So here again, I'm just showing you in the back because people like to see, for the people that don't understand. And basically taking the wig out, same wig from yesterday's video. If you haven't watched the video, go ahead and check it out. I'm not really going to be describing too much details into the wig and all of that. Like I said, everything will be in the description. And yes, like I stated in the other video, I have worn this before, so that's why it's like crimped up and stuff, because it literally was just thrown back into the net in the bag. Next, I'm going to be putting it on and putting the first clip that's in the back inside, like under my bun. Now, I could have did a better job, but I was just showing you guys for video purposes how I put it on. You guys will see that soon. And then I just bring it forward. Basically trying to get the hair out the way. And then I'm going to be clipping the sides, and I will be clipping my the front to the front of my head. It comes with 4 combs, 1 in the back, 1 in the front, and 2 on the side. So basically now, putting my hair scrunchy so I can put the strap on, but you guys will see me clip everything else in soon. Now, I could have put the clip down better inside of my wig, but you guys get the drift. Like, basically just tuck it under the cap so no one will see the cap. And like I said, for video purposes, I'm just putting it on, clipping it in. You guys will see it's very easy to put on, not hard. If it fits on my big head, it will fit on your heads too, because my head is big. But yeah, so basically I am just putting it on, putting it up, tucking my hair in, because I refuse to put product on my hair. I just fake straightened it the other day, just showing you guys clipping the Velcro. So yeah, I straightened it the other day, and I don't really want to put product on it. I could have tucked that in better, but like I said, this is just for video purposes. Basically, that won't even be showing. And yeah, so basically I'll show you guys what it looks like soon. So yeah, tuck your hair in. You really don't have to do much to this hair, honestly. Like, as you guys will see once I pick up the camera, that I really didn't do much but put it on, and now if I had somewhere to go, I can be out the door, and it won't be really nothing much to do other than combing it if you want to flat iron it, flexi rod, whatever you want to do to it. I think it's good for heat, but I really didn't need it the first day I put it on. I really put it on right outside of the wig. And as you can see, you guys don't see my little hump, even though I can feel the hump, but you don't see it. So yeah, just showing you guys the hair still has shine. I put no product in this hair. The hair still bounces, and this is like the little close-up that I'm giving you guys. As you can see, it looks like a regular headband. Edges are not laid, but it still looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looked with the 2 different headbands that was provided also by the company. And basically, yeah.